Welcome back to Michigan Mud Mechanic. Today I want to start working on the 2009 Cadillac CTS. We need to tear into that and make sure it's a timing chain issue that I'm having. So I got to put the Jeep on hold. So before I can start on the Cadillac, I got a list of things I need to do. So the first thing on my list is I need to get my utility trailer out of the storage unit. So I have these old doors from that Durango. Those all need to go on the utility trailer, and then I need to swap out the utility trailer with the car hauler. In that process, I stopped and looked at my boat, and that is full of water. It had collapsed. It didn't make it through winter. I gave it a shot. Didn't really care. So we got to get the water out of that. So let's just get started. Please like and subscribe. Here we go. Alright, we got the trailer backed into there. We got this pump hooked up and running. All I can do now is just stand back and wait for this to drain. Actually, I do have a bunch of tools in my truck right now. Since it's full of water anyway, I'm going to drill this hole out so we can, because it is getting wet right there. I don't know how. Probably because it's over the top of the fiberglass on the inside. So I'm going to drill that open and let it start draining the inside portion of this. What a mess. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see if I can film this with one hand and drill with the other. That's backwards. And it's wandering. Let me get that started. Alright, here we go. Oh, got it. That should help. I probably should have did that before we stored it out here and we went ahead. All my new wood sitting in the water. Let me go put my drill away and I'll show you how the water is inside. So I can't take the tarp off. Otherwise I'll spill all that water into the boat. I might be able to get in there and show you how my wood is completely submerged underwater, so I don't know if it's going to be any good or not now. What an absolute bummer, huh? But we'll get the water all out of it and see where we stand from there. Pump's clogging. We've already brought it down from this level though. Oh. There we go. We got it going again. Pump gets clogged with all this debris in there, and mainly those things that are floating. This may take a minute. Tarp's going to have some holes in it here and there, so having that drain hole in the back is going to come in handy. Considering it's not going to cover it all, but whatever little bit of water gets in there needs to come out. Alright guys, so that's all the bungee cords I had. Hopefully that'll hold up until I can get back out here. We got all the water out. We put our frame back together. Basically the snow collapsed our frame and then it just filled with water. This should hold the water back. We shouldn't have any more snow. So we'll be back on this thing. Trailer's not as twisted as I thought. It's just the top has fallen over the bottom because they're not together while we rebuild. So car hauler's all hooked up. Let's go get the Jeep. Alright guys, so we're back with the trailer. Now we just got to get these cars moved around. and get the Jeep loaded. Alright, ready to hear this timing chain? Here we go. The wipers are on, that's not cool. Here we go. Put a lot of tongue weight on it, but otherwise the ramps will hit the back. So the Cadillac seems to run just fine after that first startup. But then once it warms up, she'll start dying on you and stuff like that. So we're not going to show you that. Let's get the compass tied down, get that off to the storage unit. Alright, so this is not how you do it. It's supposed to be straight, but I got a fender here and good enough. This is how it's supposed to be, straight with your hub, straight-ish, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock-ish. That looks pretty good like that. Normally I'd keep the winch hooked up too, but I didn't use it. Let's get this thing buckled on the other side, and then we'll get her off to the storage unit and start picking up this swing set. Alright, so I went back and I grabbed this other swing set here and I brought it home. We got some new swings for it. My little girl loves it already. It was for free, so I just wanted the wood. But once I got home with it, it became more than just for wood. You get back. So in the beginning of the video, I said that I was trying to get all this stuff done so I could get started on the Cadillac. Well, that's going to be the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.